Well, today we're going to be cooking some pork long, probably the easiest thing to cook. I love pork, extremely easy to cook, but the problem once in a while it gets too dry, so found a way to make sure that it's not as dry. This one is simple. You take your pork long, you basically split it in half, get some cheese. You can use a jalapeno cheese if you want some taste to it, and then you place that on in some foil. I'm using two layers of foil because there's going to be quite a bit of liquid, and then you don't want to, obviously when you're turning them around on the barbecue, you don't want to break your foil, then you lose all your apple juice. So first thing that I'll do once I'm happy with my lung, I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to spread that on in the foil, and then I'm going to use my apple juice, basically fill the middle of it with as much apple juice as I can. If you really love the apple, there's one thing that I've tried once before too, is with the green, take a green apple and then put some peas in the middle too, which will get you even more apple taste. So by doing that, really, is what I'm doing is I got a bit of an envelope, my apple juice is in the middle, and then it's gonna cook all together, and I'm gonna add some apple juice also in my foil. I'm using a bit of paprika and a bit of coriander just on top, just to give it some color, because when it comes out of the barbecue, that's really all I'll need. So this can stay on the barbecue for 350 for about 30 minutes. What I suggest is probably try to go look at it after 20 to see how it's doing. And then what I'm doing with the foils, I'm making like a little bit of a pan, and I'm going to add a bit more apple juice. The apple juice that I use is from an orchard in Vernon, BC. So you can probably use commercial apple juice, it will do the same, but if you can get some real apple juice, that's even better. So I'm making a bit of a, can we see, it looks like a canoe, but really it's to keep all the juice in. So if you want some very tasty pork long that's going to be very nice and juicy, easiest way ever, and see, doesn't take much to do. So you guys have a good one and have fun with this one.